Good morning, students. As you know this very well that the topic Indigo is going on is written by Louis Fischer, and from last 3 days I am explaining the paragraph. So in this series I am going to explain the next paragraph. And in previous classes I taught that how Mr. Rajkumar Shukla, who was the peasants, who was the farmer, left Champaran, means he was related to Champaran district in Bihar, and went to meet Mr. Gandhiji. Firstly, he went to Kanpur, and thereafter he followed him till his ashram. And thereafter, Mr. Gandhiji accepted his proposal and told that requested him, Mr. Rajkumar Shukla, to reach Kolkata, because Gandhiji was going to attend a seminar there, and Mr. Rajkumar Shukla reached there before Gandhiji. And when Gandhiji finished the meeting, means addressed the meeting, and when the meeting was over, then he cooperated Mr. Rajkumar Shukla, and from there firstly they reached to the house of Mr. Rajendra Prasad, who was the first president of our country, and from there they went to Muzaffarpur in Bihar, and thereafter they went to Champaran. So during the time of journey, which kind of problem they faced, I have to describe, and what was the actual result of the Champaran movement, I have to explain these all the things very clearly before you. So students, I am explaining paragraphs step by step, so you all are requested to listen very carefully. And I have already finished page number 46 and 47, and today I have to start from page number 48, means 46 and 47 has been finished now, and I have to start from page number 48. So student, I am starting now. There is a reference of Kripalani, Professor Kripalani, who was waiting for the station with a large body of students. Earlier just I taught that he was the professor of the Shanti Niketan school, means Shanti Niketan college. Gandhiji stayed there for 2 days in the home of Professor Malkani. So another professor, where Mr. Gandhiji stayed, a teacher of a government school. It was an extraordinary thing in those days. Gandhiji commented for a government professor for a harbor, a man like me. Means it was not an ordinary task that Gandhiji stayed at the home of such a people who are related to government school. And in smaller locality, the Indians were afraid to show sympathy for the advocates of home rules. And at that time, rules were totally different, and people were not giving the respect to the other people if they had not the virtue like that. So Gandhiji stayed at the home of a government teacher's house, and from there they made the plan to reach to the Champaran. Now next paragraph. The news of Gandhiji advent means arrival, advent, and of the nature of his mission spread quickly throughout the Muzaffarpur and to Champaran. Means as soon as Gandhiji reached Muzaffarpur, this matter, his arrivals matters, spreads very quickly in the entire Champaran districts, and farmers were very happy. They thought that our heroes, our leader has come among us, is about to come among us. That's why they were very happy. And thereafter Champaran began to arriving in the foot, and by their conveyance to see their champion, Muzaffarpur lawyers called the Gandhiji to brief him. They frequently impressed represented present group to the court. They told him about their cases and reported the size of their fees. Means as soon as Gandhiji reached to Champaran, the farmers of Champaran were very happy, and other lawyers reached there, and they wanted to support the farmers, but they were already in favor to take the fee for that, and this was totally against our system, against our community, against our sympathy, which the advocate wanted. Next paragraph. Gandhiji chided the lawyers for collecting big fee from the sharecroppers. Gandhiji scolded other lawyers, those wanted fee from the farmers, because Gandhiji wanted to fight selflessly, without any kind of charge. Gandhiji wanted to fight. That's why he scolded the other lawyers, other advocates, and he told that if you all want to fight here with me, then you have to not take any kind of fee from the farmers. I have come to the conclusion that we should stop going to law courts, taking such cases to the courts that like good, where the peasants are so crushed and fear-stricken, law courts are useless. Means Gandhi ji told the other liars that these farmers are very poor, so there should be no any kind of fee. Any kind of fee should not be charged to these peasants, these farmers, and we should help them. Means without, we should help them with complete support without any kind of charge. Gandhiji requested the real relief from them is to be free from the fear, and Gandhiji wanted to create a fearless environment for the farmers. That's why he wanted to support the farmers, including the other liars in Champaran district. Most of the Arabics lands in the Champaran district was divided into large states. Means now the narrator is describing about the condition of lands. Lands were divided in different farms for the farming point of view. So student, by this way I covered today page number 48 and 46 and 47 have been already taught by me, and now I finished page number 48, and this process will be continued. So student, till today I taught that how Mr. Gandhi reached to Champaran and how he scolded the other advocates and requested him that you should not help the others.